Hey, Coach Greg here with Swell Training. Today we're gonna be doing a flat stomach core workout. That's right, it is summer season, so let's get our bodies looking tight, fit, sexy. I believe in you, it's gonna be great, it's gonna be fun. Let's go do it. We are going to be doing 2 sets. First set is going to be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises as you follow along, while that second set will be a more complete run through of everything. So if you have a mat or a flat surface, a towel, a bed, wherever you are, this workout is going to be great, and we're going to be working out those abs and that core. So let's go. All right, sit on down. We're going to be starting off with some heel touches. You're going to lie flat on your back, heels on the ground. And all we're doing is our hands or arms are gonna be to our side. We're just going to be twisting, or whatever you wanna say, like turning, pivoting to try to touch the back of our heels, just like that. And this back and forth seesaw motion as if you're a penguin, just like that. So let's put 30 seconds on. We're working those obliques. Here we go. All right, just reach. And the funny thing is, it's so easy to cheat on these heel touches, but it's called a heel touch for a reason, so make sure you are touching that heel. If it's a little too hard, you can bring your heels closer. And if you need more of a challenge, you can bring them a little further back. It's really gonna help you crunch on one side as you're extending the other. Just like that. You should be able to hear that sound, the slapping of the heel. Got a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good stuff. All right, we're gonna flow right into side plank pulses. You're gonna get on one side. We're gonna do 15 seconds. Both sides, you're just gonna want to lay on one side of your body, arm, forearm on the ground as a base, as a support. I like to either put my hand on my hip like so, and stack your feet on top of each other. And what we're gonna do is lift up into a side plank. But to make it a little more fun, we are gonna try to tap the ground, a little pulsing motion, just like that. So we're gonna do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the other. I know, it's tough, it's hard, but we are here to get that flat stomach. We're here to work out our core. So here we go, 15 seconds each side, and begin. Here you go. Really extend right back up into that side plank, and tap that ground. You're pulsing. All right, let's switch sides. Gotta run over. Don't worry about the mat. It doesn't matter. Just get those pulsings going. Just like that, side plank it out. Let's do a couple more. 3, 2, let's do one more, and drop, or safely descend. All right, next we have the tuck crunch extension. You're gonna wanna sit on your butte, feet in front of you like that. You wanna brace yourself, hands behind you, and all we're doing is bringing our legs in to crunch, and we're just extending them all the way out, just like that. Now, honestly, I gotta warn you, you're gonna feel it in your legs, especially like your hips, your glutes, your lower abs, everywhere. But like I said, we're here to work, we're here to have fun and sweat at the same time. So let's do 30 seconds. Go at your own pace. Here we go. Extend, crunch it in, extend. What helps for me is to almost get like parallel to the ground and then really focus on the crunch. Extend, crunch. Now if you can't keep your feet straight out in front of you, you can always just here and then touch the ground. Focus like on this. There's stages to this, you know? We don't gotta go crazy all the way at the bat. But here, just extend, just like that. We got a couple more. 3, 2, crunch, and 1. Good stuff. All right, last we have a V-sit hold. It's kind of very similar to what we just did. So I'm already fatigued, so I already know we're gonna be feeling it, but we'll suffer and have fun together. You're gonna want to almost sit like in a 45-degree angle from your back from the ground. And we want, just like how my knees or my legs are in that same, almost like a V shape, we want our legs to be up here as well, just like that. Now, to make it a lot harder, not a lot harder, but a little bit, you can just try to hold like that. But I'm just gonna, because I'm very tired, I'm just gonna keep my hands on the ground and we're just gonna do this. And all we're doing is trying to get into that V position and we're trying to just like really crunch, not crunch, but like tighten up our abs, the core set as Coach Mary always talks about, but we're really just trying to get in this position, keep our legs as straight as we can. And if we can't, we can always just do a bent leg. It's all good. We will work up to the more difficult positions. All right, 30 seconds, enough talking, more doing. Get ready, and here we go. Really focus on extending. Try not to lean back too far, just like that. We're already halfway done. Now again, if it's too hard, you can hold your legs out in front of you. The real focus is making sure your thighs are at that 45-degree angle. You can hold here, just like that, or you can extend, whatever you feel. That almost threw me off balance. I'm just gonna stay here. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, I feel it already. I feel it already. All right, that was your first set done and dusted. We're gonna move on to that second set, so feel free to mark the time of this video so you can come back to this moment to do all these exercises over and over and over again. So here we go, grab some water, reset your mat like I have to do. That's why I have these dumbbells here. Keep it from moving all over the place. I'd be over there by now. Thank you guys. Let's get right into that second set. Here we go. All right, we're gonna get right into heel touches, 30 seconds, flat on your back. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. Three, 2, and 1. Alrighty, we're getting ready for our side plank pulses or taps. Get in position, 15 seconds each side. Here we go and begin. All right, we're almost there. All right, switch sides. Get yourself ready, center yourself, and there we go. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're almost there. 2 more exercises. We got tuck, crunch, extensions. 30 seconds. Let's go. Yeah, this variation. Three, 2, and 1. All right, finishing strong with our V-sit holds. This is gonna be tough, but we're tough people, we got this. Here we go. Deep breath, 30 seconds, and begin. You can start legs up if you can. You can always keep them bent, whatever you feel comfortable with. Push yourself, here we go. We're halfway there. If you need to come here, you can. Just like that. There it is. Come on. Finish strong. Got 5 more seconds. You can do 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, man, my legs burn. So do my abs. Give yourself one of these. And one of these because you deserve it. That was your flat stomach core workout. Hope you loved it as much as I did. Feel free to share this video with friends. You can rewatch this, save it in a playlist, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. I'm Coach Greg, and I'll see you in the next one.